Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy on Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. First, open Polymarket on web browser and make sure you are logged into your account. On Polymarket, buying means you are placing a prediction. You are buying yes or no shares based on what you think will happen. Once you are in, tap on deposit from your connected wallet, usually MetaMask. Make sure you already have USDC on the Polygon network deposited in the Polymarket. Now, browse the list of market and click on that you are interested on. Now you will see two buttons, yes or no. If you think the event will happen, click yes. If you think it will not happen, click no. The price you see shows how likely the market thinks the outcome is. Now type in how much money you want to use. This amount is in USDC, which is similar to dollar. Smart small. If you are new, Polymarket will show you how much you could win or your possible profit. When everything looks good, click buy. MetaMask will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. Click confirm and wait a few seconds, and that's it. You have successfully bought a position on Polymarket. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.